guys, my name is PRODAN. Welcome back. And today we're making 3 easy projects and your little plate. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. Let's start with the first project. So we're gonna grab one of this, and right now we keep it right here. Well, we're gonna add this because I'm just showing you how we're gonna keep this one black inside. You grab one of this long black one, stick it right inside there, like that. Make sure it doesn't be so long. I will just keep it like this long. That's great. Then grab one of this black one and grab one more of that and stick it all the way in for connecting the next one. When you already did it, you need to turn it around because that's not correct, and grab one of this. Well, stick it on the other side. Okay, so this is our next one. So let me see how this works. So grab one more big wheel of it, stick this one all the way in, right into there. There we go. Stick this one right, big side right there. Wait. Connect this one right here. Stick this one right there. I don't know when. Okay, grab one more of the black one. Grab this one and stick it all the way in right there. So we don't add all the way in. That's for the black one right there. Take it off. Stick it right here. No, you always need to connect this one in right there. Then stick it at the black one again. Then grab each of them, and the first one, keep it right there. The second one, keep it right this. No, we need to start like this only, because that's only what we can do by starting with the first thing. Grab this green piece right here. Stick it on that side right there. Then grab another one of it and stick it right there. So that, stick this one right there. Try this we can.
I can pop.
Did you stop the video? So my mom is gonna connect these together. You stick them like the green one in there. Grab this one right here. Grab this green thing right here. Stick it on the middle. And you finish the first master track. It's a master track. Woohoo! Now let's start with the second one. So for the second one, we're gonna grab one of this. Then we're gonna grab one of this. We stick this one right here. Grab this one right there, and then grab this one right here. Fix it right like this one right here. We stick this all the way like this down to one piece of stuff. Right, now is how to build a mister. Now you're gonna build a gear where you're gonna turn it so the gears can move. So you grab one of this black one. This is a 3D one. It's 3 pieces long. I know. I checked with my Lego Lego bag there. I changed my boxes. And then we grab this piece right here. And this one is 3 inches long. This black one is like a very weird piece. I don't know what's the real name of it. Well, then we grab that one, stick it all the way inside. That's how we grab this ball right here. This ball right there. I don't know what's the real name. It looks strange name. Then grab this weight thing right here with a hole in there. With the same thing, you connect it under. Connect it under right down. Grab this white thing with a comb, white little comb, baby comb. Grab this one. No, grab one of this. Stick it right here. Any pieces you want, except don't let it get outside. You need to keep it this way or this way. Well, when you see this hole, connect that cone on the back and stick it right there. Then turn this around, like that. Then you need to like grab this, stick this, then grab this one and keep it right there. Then stick that one right there, and one right there. Let's start it. So this is, and then we stick that one right here. First, let's see which program we started. And when we press one, you see it goes like that. So now we're gonna press this one right inside. Grab this piece, stick this one right here. And then we're gonna like stick this one right here. Then put it a little down. Hold this growth thing right here, and you see it spins. Well, when you don't use it, you keep it as this. You keep it like 4 pieces apart. This one away, this one away, and this one away, and this one away. So now we're gonna start with I'm gonna put this on the plate. Now we're gonna start with the first one, the last one. So now with the first one, we're gonna grab one of this one right here with a hole in there. Now it looks like this. This is gonna be at the end. Grab this red one, another one, stick it right here. Grab this one, put it like a long one, how long you have, and that's how long I have. I have 50 of these. I don't know how much we have in them in there. We need these blue pants. If you keep these right here, it will be like a pants card, like you mean run. Well, now we're gonna grab this pants and grab this shirt right here. Stick his head right there. There we go. And then we're gonna grab one of this. Then we turn his 2 legs. 1 leg, 2 legs facing forward. We face it after that. So you see these 4 steps? Stick him on his feet right here with no 4 thing there. So now we're gonna grab one of this one. We grab one of this green one, greenish. We grab this green one, stick it. Then grab this thing we're here for. One thing is green. I don't know what's the real name of it. I will just call it 1 point stump. And this one is overloop who covers the thing with 2. Stick that one there. Well, you take that boy off, take this white thing right there, grab this glass thing, stick it right here and look, and properly, and now you need to stick him on a spot right now. Now he looks much better. All right, now we're gonna grab one of these right here, Then stick this one right there, and grab another one. Stick it right here. Make sure you need to like stick these one like that, and make sure there are two of them, and stick this one right here, right there, and then you stick this one on the back because that one is for the fire. And then grab this one I told you. No, then grab one, then stick these, and stick this one, and stick them right there. There we go. Thank you for watching, guys. Now is your turn to make your own project from Lego. I also have mini craft project Lego. I hope you watch them and check out my own videos. And don't forget, now is bye-bye time. Bye-bye, bye-bye, kids.